Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drevs at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's just go for a night drive in this 2025 Acura RDX A-Spec Advance top trim. So I had a few people comment that they want to see what the RDX is like on a nighttime drive, so I was like, yep, why not go ahead and do that. This is gonna be a pretty quiet drive. If you want to learn more about the car, and check out my walkarounds on it, but for today we're just gonna do the quiet drive. Well, once we get on the road. But basically the ambient, some people commented they want to see the ambient lights at night, so you do have ambient lights over there. And then in the speakers on the A-Spec Advance, you have the ELO Studio 3D 16 speaker sound system, which has the light up speakers like how the MDX Type S had it when it had the signature edition sound system from 2022 to 2024. And obviously you have the red backlit gauge cluster. You have some lights, a little bit of light over here in front of the wireless charging tray, and over there. I really love how the speakers look. Look how cool that looks. That's super premium. There's not that many cars that have light up speakers. And this vehicle is finished in the beautiful urban gray pearl. I think this is a very sharp looking color. Makes any of the Acura stand out and look amazing. Let's just get this RDX out on the road. Go for a chill drive. Thanks everyone for joining me on this quick night drive in this RDX A-Spec Advance. But before we conclude the video, let's just look at the different ambient light options. You can access it directly from the main screen, hit the ambient light theme and change your color option. Like so. Orange, green, and they're all named after like landmarks and stuff like that, which is cool. I really like Bourbon Street, which is a mix of orange and purple. It looks really good. So basically there's a little line you'll see on the top is what you'll see right there on the top parts, and then you see the bottom color in the square on the middle and bottom parts of the cabin. You can do this one. Just, you have a lot of colors. The Amalfi Coast one is cool too. The blue and the light green, it's very nice, and I just love the speaker thing. The 2025 MDX Type S Advance no longer has a light-up speaker because it's Bang & Olufsen and not ELS Studio. That was one of my favorite parts of the speaker system in the ELS Studio 3D Signature Edition sound system. But overall, a really nice car. I really like this vehicle. Thanks for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you would like to shop for your own Acura and check out all kinds of other cool vehicles. Thanks again, and I'll see you all in the next video.